Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Michael Underwood, instructor of music at UA Little Rock, and I'm here today to talk to you about alternate slide positions on the trombone. Now, there are two reasons, in my opinion, for using alternate slide positions. Number one, to keep the half steps on the same partial. This is important for smooth melodic phrasing or scales. And number two, and this kind of goes along with number one, but it facilitates greater ease in your slide motion. We all know that the trombone can be very unwieldy with the slide, so anytime that we can use alternate slide positions to help our technique, we should do that to make our playing lives a little bit easier. So if you look at the swing etude example that I have above me here, this is measures 6 and 7 of that etude, and you'll notice that over the B flat I've written a 5. Now normally you would play B flat in first position, of course. We always play B flat in first position, but sometimes we can play B flat in fifth position, and what that does is it facilitates greater ease on the slide. I'm going to play without the alternate slide position, and then I'm going to play with the alternate slide position for this particular example behind me. So here's the first example without the alternate slide position. Okay. And now here's number two with the alternate slide position added in. Now for me, that fifth position works really, really well. Number one, it creates much more smooth type of line, and number two, it's easier to play for me. Now, the reason, again, if you look at this B natural, that's on the fifth partial. And the fifth partial is also where the B flat is if you play it in fifth position. So it keeps the partials, the half steps, the B flat to B natural is a half step, so you keep that on the same partial. And then also, to me, it facilitates greater ease in your slide motion. So what I would say is experiment. Find music that you're looking at in your band music, in your marching band music, any type of music really that you're looking at, and see if you can incorporate an alternate slide position or two in your playing. To me, all of this is just part of learning the trombone and becoming a better trombone player and a better musician. I'm Dr. Michael Underwood. Happy practicing, everybody.